So here we got two little girls. They just got surgery today, and one didn't do so great in surgery, so we took them off the hands of the other shelter so we could actually monitor them. Oh, there's the boxer puppy with the broken leg.
A little bit more room.
So that's Billy. He just got returned today. He was adopted the last hurricane there, brought back because he's a Chihuahua. So, Elsie, welcome to the SPCA. This is Abigail. She had a tough time in surgery, so we're gonna keep an eye on her. So this is Stetson. Not sure, but he has a broken leg. So we said we take him and heal him. Yeah, you're gonna get all better now. There you go. All right, there's our puppies.